everyone. I had some time to kill in the car. I'm on my way to work, so मैं कहा 10 मिनट लाइव आ जाते हैं. Hey, hi Poonam, hi Vishu, hi Dikshita. Hi, please say my name and your Instagram handle is Pastel Paradise. Hi Pastel. Hi Shrishti. Book. Dude, it literally, there's so much happening. Lekin abhi right before I started the live, I was actually working on a design for a really, should I just tell you? I can tell you. So we're working on a postcard that you will be able to kind of see and get for yourself when we do book signings and stuff like that. Hi Badsha. Thank you. Yeah, I don't know. It's day, I just got off a call with the team. It's day 6 or 7 since the book went on pre-order. We've been on number 1 on the bestseller list. So I just wanted to come here and say thank you. I don't know how you've done this, but you have done it. You are magicians. But thank you. Hi. How are you doing? I'm fine. Health-wise, yesterday wasn't great. I was a little off, but today I've woken up much better. And I don't even know. Matlab, it could just even be nerves in general for everything. But I just had to come live and say thank you for making our book a bestseller even before reading it. That's very confident of you. Thanks mostly, Sane Love 2793. Kavya, so excited for Mismatch. Same. Today is what? आज क्या है राहुल? Wednesday है? हाँ. परसों. Friday afternoon 1:30 p.m. is when the show will go live on Netflix. So thanks so much, Dikshita. Thank you so much. Exotic Sneha, how's Uncle, Auntie and Rishang Bhaiya? They're good. Mama Abba good. They're as excited. Rishang's good. They're as excited as I am. Shahans is here. Fuck, I'm sorry. I didn't expect. I haven't seen Shahana in so long. Okay, need to remedy that. Hi Vaishnavi. सुबह से just watching Mismatched के interviews only. Insane for mostly sane. Chahat, thank you so much. Also, I intend to read the book you have written. I promise I will. Right now, I'm just not reading anything. Like, see, I've been traveling with my Kindle everywhere I'm going. I have it on me, but I haven't really been able to read much. But hopefully I will. Can't wait to see Baddie Dimple. You will also see Sadie Dimple. It's not just Baddie this season. Hi Riddhi. How is Rohit? Rohit's great. I'm so happy that I've been hanging with him because we've both been busy with work, and thanks to Mismatched, we spend time together. So he's good. I don't see him today, but I think I'm going to see him soon. Which book are you reading? Asif Salva. I'm reading Wild Love by Elsie Silver. I quite like it. My friend Priyanka suggested that I should read it, and we were supposed to read it together. We did start reading it together, lekin obviously because मैं उतना नहीं पढ़ रही हूँ, she ended up kind of finishing it before me, and she gave me a few heads ups about it, and it's been quite exciting. पढ़ना चाहिए. I think I would suggest this book, Wild Love by Elsie Silver. Prepping for Mismatch edits. Wait and watch. I'm so excited. Mostly Zain Andheri. I'm so excited for your edits to come through, bro. We'll watch Mismatched in Aussie land. Meenal, thank you so much. So Meenal and I, we used to work together, I think 4 years ago. And then she got married and moved to a different continent. Sakshi here, we met yesterday. Did you read the letter I gave for Dimple and you? Of course I did. I read it in the car, but right now it's not in my car. It's up in my room because I moved everything upstairs. Khana khaya, nashta kar liya bhai. And then I think I'll eat lunch in an hour. A very special thing around the book also starts happening today. So I'm on my way to a very exciting thing, and then wahan se we go to an even more exciting thing. Please come to Hyderabad. We will. Virtually to aa hi rahe hain Hyderabad because the show was shot in Hyderabad. So when you see season 3, you'll see a lot of Hyderabad in it. Hi, Oi Ankit. Thank you. I am such a fan of what you are doing. There are so many times, and I've started realizing this, that there are so many times when I will crave your content and I'll realize कि बड़े time से feed पे नहीं आया, so I will go to your page and then I'll rewatch all the reels that you've been doing. कुठे आहेस ग वैष्णवी? मी आता कुठे आहे? मी खार मध्ये आता. सांताक्रूज मध्ये. मी सांताक्रूजला चालले. I'm on the way. Today the traffic is showing little bit rehem, so it's not that bad. Mismatch season 3 should release in theatre. Oh wow. I think Netflix का मजा अलग है. Honestly, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, especially when it comes to Mismatch. I think it should be one of those things कि आप अपने घर में पजामे पहन के आराम से बैठो, खाना लेके, whatever you like munching when you're watching Netflix. सुसु आई तो pause करके जाके आओ. I think उसका मजा अलग है. I think for a show like Mismatch, it's like a comfort watch, at least for me. So I would want to be in my room with my people under the blanket. के AC अगर चल रहा है, अभी तो चलो खैर AC की जरूरत भी नहीं है, पर temperature is managed, एकदम comfortable बैठे हो, and I think that is how it should be. Hi Rohan. Hi Subhashri. It is a comfort series, see? So then I think Netflix is the best bet. Will there be a Mismatched 4, Zara Hussain? Now that you will tell, depends on how Mismatch 3 does. I really hope. I mean, as a fan, so like I want 2,500 seasons of Mismatch to come out. Hi Krishma. It was great seeing you yesterday at the Mismatch Experience, Kavya. Thank you so much for coming. It was such a special night. We saw all the artists actually perform live, so that was great. Hey Sanaya, 2 दिन के बाद. Huh? 1 minute. I'm just gonna navigate 1 second. I'm back. कोलकाता कब आओगी? बुक को ले आऊंगी शायद. So the book releases, my book releases on the 13th of January, and then obviously we're going to do a lot around it, where we're going to do meet and greets, and we're going to do signings and little readings, and I'm going to be traveling a lot with the book. So I think Kolkata is on the list, so I'll keep you updated. Bikaner is missing you. Bhumi, thank you. I am missing Bikaner so much. What a lovely time I've had when I was there. Pune aa jao. Pune is also on the list. I'm not even sure I'm allowed to share all these things with you. So don't tell anyone. Pavan Jot, it's my birthday. Happy birthday, Pavan Jot. Book travel. Yeah. It'll be the first time doing it. तो मेरे को भी नहीं पता exactly कैसे होगा. But I am in good hands with the team, with HarperCollins, everyone who is working on this to make this special for both you and me. So I think it should be fine. Ishq Hai by Anurag Saikia is amazing, isn't it? I haven't stopped listening to it, and then yesterday I heard them sing live, and that was just surreal. Also, when it comes in the show and the moments that it comes in the show are just like that music starts playing and you just know कि क्या चुन के वो second choose किया है कि यहाँ पे fade in होगा ये गाना. Too good. Mostly saying pretty girl, will we ever meet? I really hope. What's the best thing about having cold coffee thrown at you? The best thing about having cold coffee thrown at me is that I get it thrown at me by Rohit Saraf. I don't think I would let anyone else do it. I love how each song has its own story. Dum Dums for Life, right? And it's, I mean, imagine if listening to the album by itself kind of makes you feel all these feelings. How lovely it'll be when you see it in the show. I mean, I am so very excited. Friday को कभी देखूंगी मैं. Let's see. Hi Rahul. Rahul, who's here, also worked with us on Mismatch season 2 and on season 3. He was in Mao's team for hair and makeup, and he is lovely. He's so good at what he does, and we had a really good time hanging also. Come to Delhi ना आऊंगी. Delhi तो of course आऊंगी यार. दिल्ली तो आना बनता है. दिल्ली में तो एक दो ऐसी जगह हैं जो मेरे लिए बड़ी स्पेशल हैं. So दिल्ली तो किया जाएगा. When are you going to come to Kolkata? I don't know yet. I mean, we are working on the dates and we are working on everything, but I promise you, you will know about it in with enough time for you to like figure life, figure your sked, and hopefully make it to the book signing or whatever, or just to come to meet me. That's also fine if you want to. But I will let you know in just the right time. 1 second, I'm going to navigate again. अगर कोलकाता प्लान कैंसिल हुआ मैं बहुत गुस्सा हो जाऊंगी. We can't have that. Don't worry. But I'll tell you what, I want to do one of these lives again maybe tomorrow, because tomorrow my day starts slightly later. So how about I go live again tomorrow, मैं बता दूंगी कितने बजे, and then I can actually take you all live with me so we can discuss. So it's not just me looking at my face and talking. So now I'm going to say bye to you. I just want to come and say like quickly like, hey, thank you so much. And now I'm reaching my destination in 5 minutes. लेकिन कल let's do a live, and so that way I can get you to come live with me. है ना? चलो, okay. Let's do it tomorrow. Perfect. Okay. Alrighty. Bye. Again, thank you so much for making the book number 1 already. I really appreciate that. Chalo, I'm gonna go now. Bye. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Oh, मैं tunnel में घुस गई. I will talk to you tomorrow. Okay.